So for today's problem, we have the equilibrium moment of the force. So in our third problem, we have determined the reaction at A and B on the beam. So we're going to do first is do FBD, which is the free body diagram. One of the important things to do in making mga ganito klaseng problema. Yes. So FBD na. So our FBD right now is like this. So since our diagram is a pin diagram, we're using the AY and XY. So here is the X, EX, and EY. Since we have here the shape of triangle, we're going to use 3-4-5 method. Some of this 3-4-5 method was in geometry, if I'm not mistaken. This part of high school or in senior high school subject. So,
anong gamit ang 3-4-5 method?
since we are going to use 3-4-5 method, that's a good question. Because we don't have an angle. As far as some of the problem have some angle and they don't use hindi sila gumagamit ng mga 3-4-5 methods because they have an angle given by the problem in the diagram. So that's the reason why we're using 3-4-5 method because of lack of angle. So here we go the 3-4-5, which is like this. So 3, 4, and 5. So you need to remember that the 5 is the hypotenuse and this one is the opposite and the 4 is the adjacent. So if we draw like this is the 5, this is the 3, and this is the 4.
Parallel lang siya.
It's a mini version. Then after that, we're going to put since this is the A, the C, and the B. That's what we call the FBC. And the force of BC. And we simplify copy the 1 meter, 2 meters, and the force 600. The top, like this. This is the 1 meter, the 600, the force, Newton, then 1 meter, then 2 meter, and the one is 800 meter. I know that, sorry. And it's down. And so here you can see is a clockwise. So like that, clockwise 900 Newton meter. So first we solve in this case we're going to do the solving is clockwise because we're finding the A and B, direction of A and B. So the formula that we're going to use is the counterclockwise of positive summation of M moment of A, and then we're going to do A like this. So
why counterclockwise? Clockwise means.
So if we're going to count the clockwise, we're not going to get the direction of B, A and B. So we need to find first the A and B. Because in the problem, we need to find the direction at E and B. So we need to counter clockwise. Because if we do the clockwise, it would not get the problem. Yes. So now, because we need to like this, so then we have here the 600 negative 600 and times 1 because malaki niya ang 1 meter. So pagbaba we have the same negative FBC and we're going to use the P for the 3 and 5, 3 over 5. So we have here the 3, 5 times 2 because you add this. So times 2 minus the 800 Newton. So 800 Newton times 4. So you basically add the 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 4. And then minus 900 equals to 0. The answer is so the FBC right now is
negative 4,600.
negative 4,698.8. But in statistics, you can raise the negative. So if you count now capacity, because you can just
Since atong gigamit man kay
counterclockwise to get down the A and B fraction and B. So ngayon siya capacity. So the second we need to find right now the FA or the summation of FA. So we have here right now the positive summation of Fx is equal to 0. Then to find that you need to just copy this. So you can just copy the answer of FBC here. You copy this. So it will become 498.8 times the 4 over 5. So the adjacent over hypotenuse.
4,628 times 4.5.
Yes.
So answer 3,759.04.
8,007.
759.04.
04 Newton. Here are now our AX. So we find already this. We already find the A. Then we go now to the B or the A1. So our AY right now is so when we need to find the AY right now, and it's this direction of B. So AY is positive to the up because y-axis. And then summation of F y equals to 0. negative 600 minus negative 600 minus 800 plus the answer 4698.8 times the 3 over 5. So the hypotenuse ay the opposite over hypotenuse, the 3 over 5 equals 0.
So,
Now our AY will become
1,400
19.28 Newton. So here now all the answer reactions.
Mm.
And that's all.